Okay, so let's take a look at the view for this SMS application. Currently we have the skeleton application view up on the screen, and our goal is to turn it into this. So going to the code for the skeleton view, we're not going to be using a tab panel for this application. We're going to be using just a straight container. And we'll give it an X type of SMS view so that we can reference this easily within the controller. We don't require any additional ext or SensuTouch classes, so we can get rid of that, and we can set up the configuration for the view here. First thing, we'll make sure that it is full screen, takes up the entire screen of your device. We'll turn on scrolling, and we'll give it a layout of vertical box so that all the elements will be stacked nicely one on top of the other. So there we have the configuration for the view, and we'll start adding the elements of the view, beginning with the title bar to give the application a title. So the first element will be of X-type title bar, and we'll give it a title of SMS example, and we'll dock it at the top so that it will stay put even when we attempt to scroll. And we don't need any of this. So the middle section here will just be a simple field set, which will contain, let's set up some defaults for the fields in that field set. Label align. We'll put all the labels for the fields on top of the field themselves, and give the width of the label 100% of the width of the screen. And the items within this field set, we have two items here. One for the number that we're going to send the SMS message to, as well as the message itself. So the first element can be a text field, and we'll just label this 2 and give it a name of 2. And the next field can be a text area field, and we'll give this a label of message and a name of message. Now the final elements in this form will be the two buttons. The first one to send the SMS message to the number, and the second one to get the status of the SMS message after it's been sent. So we'll add a button. We'll give it an action of send SMS, and this action can be used within the controller to identify this button, and we'll give it a text of send SMS, and we'll add the last button, action SMS status, and again the action can be picked up by the controller so that we know what event has been triggered, or what to look for when we're trying to get this button. So this is a very simple view here, and if we go back to our sample skeleton application, this is what it used to look like, and if we refresh this, now that we've saved this, we should get our sample SMS application view.